So very warm good evening to each and everyone. So weekend, Saturday. So let's continue the chapter control and coordinations. We are going to solve some important questions in this session. So daily 7:30 p.m. except Sunday, Shri Gopal Kulkarni YouTube channel. Okay, for class 10. Shall we start now? Yes, students. Are you ready? Join as early as possible. 7:40 it is. Because of some power cut, so it's late today. Okay, no issues. Let's continue. Yes, students. In this session, we are going to solve few important questions. Is it clear? Already we have completed the chapter. If you have not seen previous videos, please observe. In my channel, there is a separate playlist is there. Class 10 biology, life processes separate list is there. Control and coordination separate playlist is there, and also as for chemical reactions and equations from chemistry subject also. Okay, is it clear? Shall we continue? So the first question here, what is cerebrospinal fluid? What is its function? CSF, we have discussed it regarding explanation, we have discussed it. Okay, I have explained you people, no issues. These important questions are very important. Okay, let's continue. What is CSF? First CSF we are going to see, and afterwards that's a function. Okay, CSF is nothing but cerebrospinal fluid. Brain and in some of the spinal cord, this fluid is present. So what it is? Cerebrospinal fluid is a fluid found in the cavities of the brain and central canal of spinal cord. Cavities means what? The gap, the space in between the brain and spinal cord, central canal of spinal cord. In that gap, in that what? Cavities, this fluid is flowing. When we are sleeping, students, in one reels I have seen that CSF is going inside that brain, and it is healing students. It will make the brain charge. Okay, no issues. So cerebrospinal fluid is the fluid found in brain, in the cavities of the brain and the central canal of spinal cord. And what is its function? Function of CSF. It prevents the brain and spinal cord from mechanical shocks. Mechanical shocks means what? If somebody hits your head, if somebody beats your head, or if you fall suddenly, it do not have to cause the damage to our brain as well as spinal cord. It protects our brain. CSF acts as a shock absorber. Okay, so in airbags, how they are present in cars, vehicles, airbags, they will protect. In the same way, CSF will protect us from shock absorber. Is it clear? What is CSF? Cerebrospinal fluid present in cavities of brain and central canal of spinal cord, and function is prevent from shock absorber or mechanical shocks. Yes. Whether students have joined? Yes. Thank you so much, Talapati Girish, Hari Om sir. Thank you so much for joining my live session. Welcome to my class. See, the students who are observing this class, please mention your name and place. Just I want to know, that's it. From which place you are seeing the live class, and your good name, please. Please mention in the comment section so that I can get it. Okay, yes. Shall we continue the second important question of control and coordination, class 10? Yes. If a ripened fruit is kept in a basket of raw fruits, then what will happen? क्वेश्चन हम लोग पहला समझ में आना चाहिए हम लोगों को. क्या है क्वेश्चन? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन? कच्चे फ्रूट से, अभी पका हुआ नहीं है फ्रूट्स, उनके अंदर एक पका हुआ फ्रूट रखे तो क्या हो जाता है? ऑल raw fruits are there, students. If we keep one ripened fruit, ripened means what? ಪಕ ಹುವ, ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಪದಾರ್ಥವನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಯಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅವು ಉಳಿಕಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಚ್ಚಾ ಇನ್ನ ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ರಿ, ಕಾಯಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ರಿ, ಅವು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. If we keep the ripened fruit in with raw fruits, all the raw fruits will turn into ripened. They get ripened. ये जो कच्चे फ्रूट्स के साथ हम पका हुआ फ्रूट को रख दिए तो क्या हो जाता है, सभी फ्रूट्स हो जाते हैं, कच्चे भी पक जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि है ना उनके अंदर एक केमिकल रिलीज होता है स्टूडेंट्स, हार्मोन रिलीज होता है, वो जो है इथेलिन. एक पका हुआ फ्रूट्स के अंदर रहता है. जो राइपन्ड फ्रूट्स, दिस हार्मोन they release na ethylene that will make other raw fruits also ripened. Students, is it clear? समझ में आ गया? सेकंड क्वेश्चन. This is not given in your textbook, but this question may ask in your examination. Just from extra source you have to just remember important. Okay, clear? हार्मोन कौन सा हार्मोन है? इथेलिन. इथेलिन जो याद नहीं आ गया है तो 5 बार बोलिए आपके माइंड के अंदर, इथेलिन इथेलिन इथेलिन, 5 बार रिपीट इन योर माइंड. राइट 10 times spelling, then you will definitely, it will be fixed in your mind, it will become easy for your examination. Not only this one, any answer. Okay, next, ये जो टच मी नॉट प्लांट है, टच मी नॉट प्लांट को हम टच किए तो वो क्यों क्लोज होता है? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. Why Mimosa pudica leaves droop down when touched? ಮುಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಮುನಿ, ಈ ಗಿಡ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲೆಗಳು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಡ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಡ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್? ಟಚ್ ಮೀ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಿಮೋಸಾ ಪುಡಿಕಾ. जनरल नेम इज टच मी नॉट. हिंदी में चुई मुई, कन्नडದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಮುನಿ. Okay, so why it happens students? Because it is due to the turgor pressure difference between upper and lower halves of the base petiole. Pressure will be occurring, turgor pressure will be occurring. petiole मतलब क्या है? ये लीव्स है, ये स्टेम है. ओके, दिस इज द स्टेम. ये जो होता है पीटियोल होता है स्टूडेंट्स. ये लीफ है, ये लीफ. ओके, सो क्या हो जाता है, मैं आपको समझाया हूं एक्सप्लेनेशन के अंदर, जो लीव्स के अंदर सेल्स रहता है ना, सेल्स, सो मेनी सेल्स विल बी देयर. ओके, इन ऑल दैट वाटर विल कम आउट एंड कम्स डाउन. When water will comes down, cells will shrink. Cells क्या हो जाते हैं? छोटे हो जाते हैं. जब क्या हो जाते हैं? Leaves बंद करने के लिए चालू हो जाता है. When we touch it, is it clear? और एक बार, when we touch the touch me not plant, the so many number of cells will be there. In all those cells, water content will be there. The water content will come back, students. Cell will loses water. Plasmolysis will happen. What do you mean by plasmolysis? In 9th standard you people have studied. A living plant cell loses the water. What? Living plant cell loses the water. That condition is called plasmolysis happens, students. पानी सब आ जाता है, all the water will come down and cells will shrink. For that purpose the leaves will close. Lower half cells lose water and upper half cells become turgid due to the transfer of water. That's why the drooping of leaves takes place in touch me not plant. Okay, clear? Fine. Mention the functions of forebrain. Forebrain का काम क्या है? हमारा brain is divided into 3 parts, students. Forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Okay, the complete human brain diagram I have drawn on the board and I have explained you people. Forebrain का काम क्या है? Forebrain is the biggest part of our brain. Cerebrum is the part. Okay. So forebrain is responsible for intelligence. हमारा जो intelligence है, हमारा जो memory है, हम बहुत सारे what information रख सकते हैं हमारा brain के अंदर. किधर? Forebrain के अंदर. Consciousness. Consciousness मतलब क्या है? हम सोचते हैं कि हाँ सही है, ये सब सही है, हम जो काम ये गलत है ये सही है, विच वन वी हैव टू डू, यस वेयर वी आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द अर्थ इज रोटेटिंग continuously, our galaxy, Milky Way galaxy, we are human beings, or variety of organisms are there. This is consciousness, isn't it? Consciousness, will power, हमारा जो will power है ये भी फोर ब्रेन के अंदर ही है. We have to develop our will power. Okay, then courage will come, students. Okay, and control voluntary actions. The actions which are under our control are called voluntary actions. उठने का, बैठने का, रनिंग, जंपिंग, द वॉट एवर द एक्शंस विच आर अंडर आवर कंट्रोल, हमारे हाथ में जो कंट्रोल है वो है वॉलंटरी एक्शंस. इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस मतलब क्या है? जो चीज हमारे अंदर, हमारे अंडर में, कंट्रोल में नहीं आता है. रेस्पिरेशन कंट्रोल में नहीं है. डाइजेशन वेदर इट इज इन कंट्रोल स्टूडेंट्स? नो. हार्ट बीट वेदर इट इज इन कंट्रोल? नो, नॉट एट ऑल, इम्पॉसिबल. From our birth to till our death, womb to tomb, heart will be continuously pumping the blood, lub dub. It is involuntary action. So involuntary actions are controlled by midbrain and hindbrain, and the forebrain controls voluntary actions, students. Only this is the function? No. It has a center of visual reception. हम जो देखते हैं ना वो मैसेज किधर जाता है? फोर ब्रेन के अंदर. हम जो हियरिंग, अब जो आप सुन रहे हो, वो जो मैसेज किधर जा रहा है? ब्रेन को जा रहा है, ठीक है. किधर ब्रेन में एग्जैक्टली किधर जा रहा है? वेयर इट इज गोइंग? फोर ब्रेन. टच फील करते हैं हम लोग, स्मेल, ओके, टेम्परेचर रिसेप्शन, हीट है, कोल्ड है, किसको पता चलता है? ब्रेन को पता चलता है, स्पेशली फोर ब्रेन. So these are the functions of forebrain. Once again, forebrain is responsible for what? Intelligence, memory, consciousness, willpower, and also controlling the voluntary actions. Touch, it has the center of visual reception, okay, and hearing, touch, smell, temperature reception. ये जो फाइव सेंस ऑर्गन्स का जो मैसेज किधर पहुंचता है? फोर ब्रेन. आईज, ईयर्स, नोज, टंग, स्किन, जो भी ये सेंस ऑर्गन्स का मैसेज किधर पहुंचता है स्टूडेंट्स? फोर ब्रेन. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? एक्सप्लेनेशन? सर डाउट, सचिन शमीन, यस, प्लीज आस्क सचिन. संजोत, biology words so tricky. No yaar, it's very easy. Be in English, Sanjota. Okay, definitely I will explain in English also. Biology words are very easy, just you have to try to what? Pronounce. Sachin, yes Sachin, please ask the doubts if you are having any doubts. We are Sangam from Mumbai. Okay, thank you so much. From Mumbai you are commenting, okay, and you are watching the video. Fine. Please ask the doubts, comment in the comment section, students. I will reply very quickly. Okay, let's continue. So here, next question is, define a synapse. Synapse, what do you mean by synapse? Neuron, everybody you know, nerve cell in our body, largest cell in the body, longest cell in the body, 90 to 100 centimeter. So one neuron and another neuron, there is a gap, students. A little bit gap will be there. A fine gap will be there. That is known as synapse. For understanding it is okay. For definition, yes, let us see. Synapse is a very fine gap between nerve ending of one neuron to dendrite of another neuron. So these two structures, कौन सा दो structure है? Nerve ending and dendrite. The structures do not unite with each other. ये दोनों कंबाइन नहीं होता है स्टूडेंट्स. एक नर्व और एक नर्व, ये दोनों कभी भी है ना, they are not connected. There is a little bit fine gap. These two structures do not unite with each other but remain separated by a fine gap. That fine gap is known as synapse. Okay, clear? What happens in the synapse, students? In neuron, what happens? Message will transfer. Where it will enter? Dendrite. How the message will enter, students? In the form of electrical impulse. The messages are transferring in the neuron in the form of electrical impulses. When electrical impulses or messages which are transferring now, when it goes to the next neuron, before going to that next neuron, these electrical impulses are converted into chemical signals. Where exactly? In synapse, students. Everybody have to remember. This is very, very important. In synapse, what happens? Electrical impulses are converted into chemical signals. Again, these chemical signals, when they enter into the another neuron, these chemical signals are converted into electrical impulse. Electrical impulse, chemical signals, electrical impulse, chemical signals. Like this, the message will transfer in our body. Okay, is it clear? Fine. Understood? So one student was asking doubt. So please ask a doubt. Pankaj Kumar Bansode say hi. Hi Pankaj, thank you so much for joining my live session. Okay. So please give a like. Your like will motivate me, and I will explain you more in depth, students. So motivation, inspiration is needed by everyone. Yes, likes, hearts are coming. Thank you so much. So let's continue, students. What is reflex action? Reflex action is nothing but suddenly, without knowing, quickly, immediately, spontaneously, you are removing your body part, any body part, hand, leg or anything. Sudden, quick response. Snake आ जाता है आपके सामने. One snake will come in front of you people. What you will do? Suddenly you will come back. Because of what? Reflex action. Who is going to be controlling this reflex action? हमारे spinal cord. Our spinal cord is controlling the reflex action. Okay. Reflex action is a rapid. Rapid मतलब क्या है? Speed, fast. Reflex action is a rapid, automatic, without knowing response to the stimulus. Yes, students, stimulus means what? Changes in the environment. Changes, something changes are there. Snake is coming, hot object is there. Okay, hot, very hot object is there. When you are touching this hot object, suddenly you will remove your hand. Quickly you will withdraw your hand. Why? Because of reflex action. Our spinal cord is going to send a message to our hand to remove. Because reflex action will protect our body from harm. Is it clear? I am not only explaining the answer in depth, the details of that questions I am explaining you people to understand better. Okay. Reflex action is a rapid automatic response to stimuli. You are responding to the changes which is not under the control of the brain. Brain के control के अंदर नहीं करता है. Okay. Who is controlling? And it is controlled by spinal cord. Is it clear, students? Understood? These are some of the very important questions. So we have solved from the control and coordination. So daily 7:30 p.m. you have to watch my channel for class 10 biology and chemistry. Chemistry also I am going to teach you people. Okay. Some homework I have given for you people. What do you mean by phototropism? I have explained in the class, just go through it. What do you mean by phototropism? What do you mean by geotropism? Okay, chemotropism, hydrotropism. And the fifth question, draw a neat labeled diagram of a human brain. Practice diagrams, daily 2 diagrams or 1 diagram you practice until your main examination will be there. All science, so many diagrams list are there. I am going to give you diagrams list also as early as possible, class 10 students. So daily 1 diagram, at least 1 diagram you have to practice with labeling. Okay, what happens? Only 5 minutes or 10 minutes it will take maximum time. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. In 24 hours, 15 minutes, it's not a big deal. You have to give for it. It will bring you a good marks. Okay, daily one diagram compulsory you have to practice. Okay, so you have to draw a neat labeled diagram of brain and what are voluntary actions. So these are the some of the questions or homework I am giving you people. Please Sunday, don't waste the Sunday, use it, utilize it, wake up early, drink some warm water, lukewarm water. It will clear your digestive system and your brain will become very active. It will work fastly. Okay, you will not sit in a lazy mood or in a lack of appetite. Okay, so you will be active. Whenever morning when you wake up, drink lukewarm water, little bit hot water. Okay, you have to drink, your gut will be cleared, and little bit physical exercise you have to do, running, jogging or walking or any sports you have to play. Physically you should be fit. Okay, and you have to read. Sunday, okay, Sunday, you make it different time management, students. Few hours for reading, few hours for playing, few hours for cleaning house, helping your family members, few hours for entertainment. Again you have to read, write. Morning and evening is the best time to read and write and practice. Okay, after your dinner, night, solve some mathematics problems, because after dinner what happens, we are not ready to read, brain will what some stomach is full, sleep, we are going to sleep. So at the time we have to solve mathematics, it will boost you people. Is it clear? Early to bed, early to rise make a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So sleep as early as possible, don't sleep late nights. As early as possible you have to sleep and wake up very early, drink some lukewarm water and do some physical activities and read. Definitely daily routine you have to follow this one. Definitely you are going to get success in class 10. Not only class 10, throughout your life, students. Okay. Is it clear? Super Supercalifragilistic expialidocious explanation, sir. Oh my God. Pankaj Kumar, thank you so much for your what great appreciation. So, like this, I want to tell one one word is there in biology, students. I want to tell you people, okay? That is the English largest 45 letters word. You have to try to pronounce this one. It is a word, complete one word, students. It is a largest 45 letters word, one word is there, 45 letters word. Whether it is 45 or not, let's try to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Yes? So it is a 45 letters word, students. Sorry for the interruption. So here 45 letters, largest English letter word it is. So this pronunciation is pneumono ultra microscopic silico volcanoconiosis. What it is? Pneumono ultra microscopic silico volcanoconiosis. So what is the meaning of this one? This is a disease name. Which will affect to our lungs because of inhaling of sand dust particles. Fine sand dust particles will enter in our body, especially in lungs. So this disease will come. How to pronounce? Very easy, students. P will be silent. Okay, P will be silent. Pneumono, pneumono, ultra, microscopic, silico, volcanoconiosis. Pneumono ultra microscopic silico volcanoconiosis. Pneumono means lungs. Ultra, very fine. Microscopic, very small. Okay, ultra microscopic, very fine. What? Silico, sand dust particles. Those are volcanic eruptions. Coniosis. Volcanic eruptions, fine particles will enter to our lungs. So how it is, students? Largest 45 letter word. Why I am explaining you? Because of Pawan Kumar. One of the student is messaged here. So wonderful, he has given comment in comment section. Thank you so much. Sorry, not Pawan Kumar, Pankaj Kumar. My student he is. Thank you so much, Pankaj Kumar, for your wonderful appreciation. Thank you, students. Take care. Monday 7:30 p.m. we are going to meet again. Until then, keep working, keep watching. Take care. Bye bye, students.